Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the task immediately actionable. Pick a 25 to 50-minute block and set a visible timer so you commit. Once done, remove distractions. Phone on Do Not Disturb and only place the book, pen, and highlighter on your desk. Then prime your brain. Skim headings, subheadings, and any summaries for 1 to 2 minutes so you know the structure. This small preparation speeds comprehension and reduces aimless rereading, which is why it's worth doing before deep reading. Now you move into active reading. Use a pointer or finger to guide your eyes and maintain steady pace. This reduces wandering. Make concise annotations, 1-sentence margin notes, and highlight only 2 or 3 critical ideas per section so highlights remain meaningful. Every 10 to 15 minutes pause and summarize aloud or write 1 to 2 sentences. This forces retrieval, which strengthens focus and memory. Make sure to adjust pace. Slow down on complex passages and speed up on familiar material. Finish the session by writing a brief 3 to 5 minute summary and identify one action or question you want answered next. This converts reading into useful output. Once done, schedule a short-spaced review within 24 to 48 hours to boost retention and tie new knowledge into long-term memory. If you notice focus slipping repeatedly, troubleshoot. Shorten sessions to 15 minutes, eliminate more distractions, or change location. Doing these final steps closes the loop and makes each session reliably productive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.